Welcome to this week's episode of Blue Suit News. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about the interplay between trusts and LLCs. So sometimes people ask me, I've got a trust, do I even need an LLC? And the answer is typically yes. While the trust is a great container for the purposes of passing your assets to the next generation, planning for incapacity and things like that, there typically is no liability protection if you have what's generally called a revocable living trust. So you take all of your assets and you put them in your revocable living trust, you can still be sued and those assets can still be attached to. What we usually do is we have a combination of LLCs in conjunction with your revocable living trust that we use to protect your assets and separate the rest of the assets from the trust from those in the LLC. So if you've got a rental property and it's got a risk profile and its associated risks. So any liability that arises from that will not cause a creditor to be able to attach to your separate assets that are in the trust and not contained in the LLC. And that is so long as you properly maintain your LLC, have your appropriate documents, don't commingle your assets, etc. So it's a great way to have both asset protection and pass your assets on to the next generation and have control in the event of incapacity. So I hope that clears up some issues. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.